Hey everybody, keep tabs on your flex pipe in your exhaust system. This is the transmission connector out of a 2017 Mercedes Sprinter. It's the 722.6 transmission, the 5-speed automatic. The flex pipe broke, which this runs alongside the passenger side of the transmission where the flex pipe is located. And as you can see, that flex pipe has more or less cooked this wiring harness to the point that it has bubbled through, and then all of this wiring up here has more or less melted into one solid wire. This is my efforts to pull it apart. What we were seeing on this was the inability for the transmission to want to shift. It had lost complete communication with the conductor plate inside the transmission, and ultimately when our driver turned the truck off, it was unable to restart. So no start condition, transmission was protecting itself because it didn't know what was going on. So keep tabs on those flex pipe guys.